Hi there. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to buying likes for your Instagram posts. Right now, my Instagram post has 0 likes, but with this method, I'll quickly increase that number. First, open your browser and visit clickviral.net. This site offers a range of services for Instagram and TikTok. To purchase likes for Instagram, click the menu button in the top right corner, then select Instagram services and choose likes. After that, decide how many likes you want to add. I'll choose 1,000 likes for this post, as it's an effective way to enhance engagement and visibility. Next, you'll need the link to the post. Open the Instagram app, find the post you want to boost, and tap the share icon located near the comment button. It looks like a paper airplane. Then, choose Copy Link from the menu. Return to the website and paste the link into the input field. Double-check the link before proceeding with Next. On the summary page, enter your email, first name, and last name. Once everything is filled in, click the Place Order button to continue. The payment step is next. I'll handle that now and we'll check the outcome in a moment. And that's it. My Instagram post now has over 1,000 likes, and it was so simple to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.